you guys, I'm back again. This is JasmineLatishea. Welcome to my channel. Okay, you guys, tonight is the last night that I'm going to be showing you and keeping track of my ketones as far as the camera goes. Now, every once in a while, I'll still show them to you or whatnot throughout my journey. But this last 3 days was specifically to show you how to get into it with no problems. How to do it. No sugar, 1 meal a day. That's it. First day, 18 hours. You're gonna be up to that first bar. Okay? You're gonna be up to this first bar. Second day, do another 18 to 24. You'll be to that second. Another day, okay? Now, I'm showing you between 3 days, and that's just taking it slow, okay? Once again, my lips dry. You can't stop it from being dry when you fasting, y'all. That's just, I should have put something on before I made the video, but I'm ready to get over it. So anyway, you guys, just basically leave 1 day, but you're going to get into it quicker than that. You're going to get into it quicker. I showed you exactly how. Now I'm about to show you where I'm at. I'm going to put a sticker in the video. I think it's gonna be right there. I think. Okay. So I'm gonna put the sticker in the video. I'm gonna show you where I'm at right now. And I'm about to show you live where I'm at. But my stick, I took it like 5 minutes ago, so I don't know if it's still gonna register right. Which is too long. It's only supposed to be 15 seconds. See, yeah, it's not doing it right. Usually I try to do it right before the video. And I knew I had let it probably wasn't 5 minutes, but I know I had probably too long to show you guys. But anyway, as you can see from the picture, I'm at the 4th level, at 80% level for ketones now. So that means I'll lose weight no matter what I do. I don't care what I do. As long as I don't take in no sugar, I am good. And carbohydrates also will get you to drop. Do not forget about that. And what else did we learn over the past few days? Okay, it's going to be crucial. I know it's going to seem like, well, you just stepping in there, so therefore you can dip off and have something that you want. No, you cannot. The first 2 days is when you need to be especially careful when you're trying to get into it. Why? Because you're at the edge, you're at the border. It's easy for you to fall off at that point. It's easy to get you on up out the game, okay? If you mess up between that first day, you know, it could probably not go right for you. Another thing, if you just ate and 4 hours later you go take your ketones, okay, ketones are produced when your glucose sugar, aka, is low, okay? That's when they come. So if you eat and then you go take your test right here, of course your sugar is going to be high. It's not going to tell you, it's accurate because at this point you have glucose in your body. But if you chose the wrong things, the right things to eat, in 12 hours, it'll come back up. So after you eat, give it another 12 hours before you even try to check this. Okay? Because I know it's tempting to keep checking it over and over, but you didn't just ate. You know what I'm saying? You just stopped the process, so it's going to go back down. But only thing you need to do is not make it go down before you in there good. Now that I'm at this level right here, now I can go eat something and it's gonna drop probably to the small amount and then it'll zip back up. Okay, I watched it do it too many times. You watch some of my other videos where because most of them keto videos I showed you where my ketos was, and I told you I got a video about pasta and how my body reacted to the pasta after eating it. Most of those videos I have down there, I do show you where my sticks was. Now, what I also noticed too is I never made it to this 180 before. And I probably have, but that probably was with a full fast. And when I was like doing my full fast, especially a lot, I never even tracked the ketones. It was something I didn't know about. I ended up researching one day, and this is what I found, and ever since I've been using this, you know, as a help, as a tool, assistant, or whatever. So I've never got to, I think I've seen it once before, and as soon as the urine touches it, it turns straight that color. But as soon as you eat, it's gonna go back down. I think this is where you stay at when you're doing a full fast and not the intermittent. Now, that cannot be true, but I have not seen it, so therefore I cannot tell you that it is true. Because how it's gonna be true if ain't nobody seen it? Okay? Not to say it like that, but that's what they for. Okay? So yeah. What else is important? Make sure you start at day 1. Make sure you start at day 1. See what I did. Day 2. See what I did. Okay? Use as much coconut oil, as much butter when you're eating. You can use that as much as you need to. If there's a space that's calling for butter, use coconut oil. If there's a space calling, you know, when you just use, but try to use butter or coconut oil, not peanut, not walnut, not grapeseed, not the rest of them, not wisdom stuff that people buy all the time, vegetable. No, not that. Use coconut oil anywhere you use oil, and you also have MCT oil you can use. Okay, this is going to help you stay in ketosis. So, my opinion, this is the staple to have while you're doing your fasting. Okay, now I like to do it for 7 days. I'll do it for like 5, 6, 7 days in a row, and then I'll slow back down some off of it, because even with my skin, I was using coconut oil so much that when I first used it, it was like wow, but then after a while, you know, the effects seem like it lessened. So with anything, go off of it, you know, switch to the butter. The MCT oil and the coconut oil, they the same thing. So, and I can't eat that like that. It hurts my stomach, but good for ketones. And it's a way more potent version of coconut oil because it's the chain, the glyceride chain that is in coconut, something like that. So it's way more potent than this, and it's derived from it. So I think that's why it hurts so bad. But nonetheless, if I'm gonna drink it, I'm gonna drink this. Okay, I have not drunk none today, and I mean, it's not necessary, but it's beneficial. Cause say like if you're eating, say like if you eat too much, or if you eat a little bit too much sugar, this might just help that out, right? If you have a feeling that you ate too much or something, just go ahead and take your coconut oil, or be taking it, and then leave it alone. Plus, while you're fasting, this also helps you use the bathroom, okay? Because sometimes you can get stopped up, and I have a top 5 constipation list under the video. You can go watch that, and I put in there 5 remedies for constipation, okay? Because that's something that you go through, especially if you're doing a full fast. Like, eventually you're gonna dry up, and you're not gonna put out. You're not. Okay, so I believe that's all I wanted to show you guys and tell you guys. Tonight is the last night. Finally, if I hit this last stage though, I'll come back and I'll show you. But when you're intermittent fasting, I haven't seen it. I have not seen it. So make sure you subscribe, like, okay? And what else did I want to say? Oh, and you may want to stay tuned, because next I'm going to do a flush. And I still kind of have that lethargic kind of a feeling when you fast. And I think it's because, yeah, you guys too, when you're doing the fasting, I think it's a better thing. And you're trying to get into ketosis, I ain't saying that you have to do it the whole time while you're intermittent fasting, but I believe it's a good idea that if you close that window down some to like 1 or 2 hours, I literally would eat and jump straight back into the fast. 1 meal a day too. That was a staple. 1 meal a day. I would eat, I would jump back into the fast. I eat, I jump back into the fast. Okay, it's no way you cannot get in here doing it that way. There is no way, unless you just eating too much sugar. Period. There ain't no way you're not gonna get in it. Now I can go on by my business. I can lose weight. I don't have to exercise or nothing. I don't have to. It's gonna do it by itself. Okay, but I am going on the flesh, you guys. So if you want to continue to follow my journey, make sure you subscribe, because that's what I'll be doing next. And I am excited to be back in these high ketosis. I've been trying this all month, so I'm gonna put all 3 of these videos in a playlist from 1 to 3. You can check them all out. And if you have a comment, write it below. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you for tuning in.